Now let's enter the session dashboard, where you will be starting an appointment and working with your patient during their live telehealth sessions. Go to your My Appointments page or your patient's account. Click the large dark blue Start button to begin a call. This will take you to your session dashboard. Initially, you will see a screen with only yourself. Then when your patient joins the call, the screen will be split and will look just like this, with your patient on the left and you on the right. There are a few buttons located on the left that will be useful for you. First is audio control, which will mute or unmute you. Next is video control, which will turn your camera on or off. Then is screen sharing, which we'll talk about more in a moment. Then there's a button to end your call, which we can also do by fully closing your appointment window. And finally, we have a live call duration timer. The button that you will likely use the most is that screen share button. This is a useful and dynamic tool for educating your patients. After you click this button, choose the entire screen option. Then click Share at the bottom of the pop-up. Your patient will now be able to see everything currently on your screen. You may use the tools on the right side of your screen to access content for your patient to view with you, such as educational videos, exercises, or any other resources you may wish to share. Remember, your patient can see everything that is currently visible on your screen. It can be helpful to pull up your material prior to sharing your screen. Then be sure to click the Share Screen button again on the left-hand side to end the screen sharing mode. In regards to this specific screen, it shows you the patient's demographics, such as their phone number. This can be helpful if your patient is running late and you need to quickly access their phone number to get a hold of them. Let's look at the features located on the right. The first button will provide you with quick access to the patient's profile, instant messaging, and their uploaded documents. Next are the exercise builder, video library, and surveys. Then we have various assessment tools available, followed by access to documentation, and finally, plan of care and appointments.